Hi everyone, welcome to SEOSpace. You're watching this video because you want to learn more about our automatic SEO monitoring functionality. So in this video, I'm going to explain what it does, how to set it up, and how to make sure you're making the most out of the SEOSpace dashboard. Now, our SEO monitoring functionality allows SEOSpace to automatically scan your whole website every week or month in order to identify any SEO pitfalls you're falling into and show you how your SEO performance is improving over time. These monitoring updates will come into your email every week or month, and this allows you to always understand what is going on and alert you if anything changes with SEO. And because SEO is always evolving, SEO monitoring allows you to know when you need to step in order to fix something. So this is what the emails look like. As you can see, you get through your achievements. You get to see whether there's new SEO tasks, critical tasks that you need to step in to fix, get an overview of your site score, your top performing pages that have improved in the past month, as well as also your top performing pages in general. Now, in order to set it up, it's super easy. You either select monthly or weekly monitoring from here. If you want to access weekly, you need to be on our agency plan, which you can easily do so from here. And from there, you just click next step. And after you start your site-wide audit, your monitoring will happen either every month or week. Now, if you ever want to change your monitoring settings, all you need to do is re-audit your website. And when you get back to this step, you'll be able to change your frequency from there. And your emails will automatically be sent to the email account that you set your SEOSpace account up with. So there you are, guys. That is an overview of SEO monitoring. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or head over to this chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner, and we'll be more than happy to help. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.